Obviously, there's a combination of things, but I haven't been able really to post anything in a while, and a lot of it to do is just I was sick one week. Week before that, it was so bloody hot, and it was a off payday, and hopefully I'll get some good content out soon. I was trying to do something today, honestly, but the rain's kind of stopping that. Hopefully it'll stop soon, and I'll be able to post something within a day or two that y'all will enjoy watching. Hopefully, or maybe not. I don't know. I guess let me know. But I hope everyone's doing good on their lovely Sunday and good day at church or whatever everyone's doing. So, but don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully some more good content will be coming soon. Apologies for the delay on some good content.